Hello. So I'm gonna give a brief overview over the task I have done through for the client. So initial tasks were handled by a senior data scientist before I took over this client project. I handled the tasks assigned after that, which are in January. The task I completed was calculating the sell and buy spread and getting the profit and loss through it by applying the conditions given by the client. So this is the code that have been worked on for in that is in January when the task was assigned by the client. And in February, the client assigned me to implement the code to distinguish the tickers according to the cluster type and implement the code for distinguishing the sell and buy spread for the given STD. STD is standard deviation, and implemented the code for calculating tickers profit and loss as well. So this is in the February month. So I was given a task to distinguish the cluster types for the each given ticker value. This is the code that I worked on, and likewise I worked on implementing the code for a ticker profit and loss as well. So this is the complete code that I have worked on. And after that, in March, the client was given the further task that was related to working with the IG Trade Broker API, and that was to retrieve the data and automate the task to get the yesterday's market price and calculate the sell and buy signals using the threshold given by the client. And so let me tell you, this is the code for retrieving the data. So it's gonna retrieve the yesterday's data, and it's gonna append it to the already given list. So it's gonna keep appending the yesterday's market price to the already saved database, and it's gonna take every day except the non-working days. And we have the live trade data, where this code works on taking the data set and it tries to take in calculates what is the sell and buy signal of each data, and it's gonna open the trade and close the date based on the conditions that has been provided by the client. So this is the task that have been given, and for the board of the task I was assigned to automate and schedule it using the AWS, which is using the remote desktop, and that's what the whole complete client project that I have completed till now. And my name is Apurva Reddy, and I worked as a data scientist associate for this project. Thank you.